So we tried some other CMSs before Contentstack. One example was like WordPress, and we had some problems as well, like with security. Also, UI is something that is also very important for us. So we're talking about non-tech teams using this tool to create pages. So as it needs to be very intuitive, otherwise they will not understand it and it will be like hard to increase adoption. There's also localization, so like translation. Every time without Contentstack, we would have to like create these pages and then they will have to translate. Sometimes they would do this in a spreadsheet. So they would like put all the text in a spreadsheet and they will have like columns for every language. They would translate there and then we would like put this into the actual code. And now with Contentstack, like the way that we created some content types, the marketing teams are now free or empowered to create their own pages without the need of any engineering work. So now they can like create the page that they want, update the page whenever they want. And for us, this is fantastic because then we can focus more on the other initiatives that we had. And I mean, we still dedicate a bit of time to support them, but they are like way faster now. Having a headless CMS was really important for us because then we could be flexible. We didn't need to be attached to a specific thing. Then like anyone who actually used the tool can create the page the way they want. And then basically it's very easy for us because now instead of creating a new page every time, we can just create new components or update the components that we had before. It needed to be something that non-tech people can use. We also needed to be flexible in a way of we change our UI also very frequently, and we need to adapt what we're showing to all the platforms. So we have desktop, we have mobile web, we have apps on iOS and Android. We also have content in emails and stuff. So it needed to be something that we could connect to our own infrastructure. So then we could use our interface, and whenever we need to change this, like it would be easy. So like flexible, fast, secured. This is only possible because we do have Contentstack, and that's where we create all this content, like all these articles, videos, pages, and whatever. All of these live in Contentstack. And before Contentstack, if we want to create all of these, then we would need like for everything that we create, we would need to dedicate more time from the tech team to like create a single page and then launch it. Basically, like for every single page, we would need to deploy something. And now it's just like, these are the components. These are the things that we have. Create all the content that you can use in this. So they can create like tons of different contents very, very fast.